Ever imagined what might happen when two mammoth ships collide in the open sea? Well, the unthinkable happened in the Mediterranean Sea near Port Said, Egypt. The USS Harry S. Truman, a Nimitz-class aircraft carrier, found itself in a collision with the merchant vessel Besiktas M. This incident unfolded in the tranquil waters of the Mediterranean, where the Truman was enjoying a rare respite at a naval base in Crete after constant operations. The Truman, no stranger to adversity, has been involved in operations in the Red Sea, countering Houthi militant attacks from Yemen. On that fateful day, the sea was calm, the skies clear. The Truman, a symbol of military might, and the Besiktas M, a workhorse of commerce, were following their respective courses. Then, in an instant, the routine was shattered. The two giants clashed, their steel bodies grinding against each other in a frightening spectacle. What's astonishing is that despite the magnitude of this collision, there were no reported injuries or flooding on the carrier. A testament to the resilience of the crew and the robustness of the Truman's design. Even the carrier's propulsion systems remained unaffected, allowing it to continue its mission. Today, investigators are meticulously piecing together the events leading up to the collision. Every detail is scrutinized, every action evaluated, in the quest to understand what went wrong and how to prevent such incidents in the future. To summarize, the collision between the USS Harry S. Truman and the merchant vessel Besiktas M is a stark reminder of the unpredictable nature of the sea. Despite the shock of the incident, the Truman marches on, undeterred, its propulsion systems functioning, its crew safe. As for the investigation, we wait with bated breath for the findings, hopeful that they will shed light on this incident and guide future maritime operations to safer shores. Until then, the Truman sails on, a symbol of resilience in the face of adversity. Thank you for watching Topics on Trend. Go ahead and check out another trending video on our channel here, like, subscribe, comment, and share.